This is our last trip here in Bohol. And today, hindi tayo magbabar hop, kundi mag-island hopping tayo. So, let's go! Ito si Kuya Vince. Siya yung travel tour namin papunta dun sa... Saan tayo, Kuya?
Balikasag Island. You do snorkeling, you see the turtle, and you can enjoy there. You can relax or chill in the island. So in the island, in Balikasag is the famous here in Bohol to do snorkeling, like diving or snorkeling, to discover a beautiful coral garden. Wow, we have Black Forest. Ay,
Black
Tagalog.
Forest? Yeah, Kuya.
Pero sa diving ba yun?
Sa diving. So, Kuya, how much it cost for the diving here sa'yo?
It depends if you have a license or no. If no experience, they have 2,500 for no experience. But
With experience,
with experience, 2,000.
2,000. Oops.
But you can book only in the dive shop to go in Balikasag Island.
So, online.
Yeah, online. In Balikasag. We have also here.
This is Marimar's friend. So, if you guys wanna go to Bohol and looking for the trusted tourist guide here, Kuya Vince is, just look for the Kuya Vince.
Yeah, this is 7-Eleven. The beach side. Yeah, front beach. Front beach.
Poseidon.
In Bohol, not only island hopping activity, we have also water sports like parasailing. You can see the parasailing over there.
It's right there. Parasailing.
We have also banana boat or jet ski, flying fish. So more fun in the Philippines. In Bohol, more fun in Bohol. So
Bohol.
what you waiting for? Come in here and enjoy.
Dito sa Pinas, kikita sa akin yung toilet. Kasi tignan nyo. Minsan ihi dito 5 piso, 10 pesos, 15 pesos. Tapos pag nag-jebs ka, 20 pesos. So yung mga nakakilala saan, alam kung ano yung habits ko.